Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to use YouTube TV on a PC. First, open your preferred web browser on your PC. Popular options include Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Safari. In the address bar of your web browser, type in tv.youtube.com and press enter. This will take you to the YouTube TV website. If you already have a YouTube TV account, click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your Google account credentials associated with your YouTube TV subscription. Once signed in, you will have access to the YouTube TV interface. You can browse through available channels, explore on-demand content, and access your library of recorded shows. To watch live TV, simply click on the channel you want to watch from the guide or use the search function to find specific programs. YouTube TV offers a cloud-based DVR feature where you can record shows and movies to watch. You can access your recorded content and library by navigating to the Library tab. You can adjust various settings such as closed captions, video quality, and parental controls by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting Setting. When you're done watching, simply close the web browser window to exit YouTube TV. If you are using a shared or public computer, don't forget to sign out of your YouTube TV account to ensure your privacy and security. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.